The shudder of the engines as they say it's time to go. The tiny whirlpools in the snowy brine. The seagulls entertain you with an aerobatic show as you leave the floating landing stage behind. The magical vibration of the deck beneath your feet as you stand and watch the river racing by. The business people strolling past each varnished wooden seat are examples of the many reasons why I'm a friend of the ferries, and I'm proud to be, for they've always been a true and faithful friend to me. The salty spray which greets you as you climb each drafty stair, the rolling when the swell is capped with white, the ghostly echo of a siren carried on the air to break the silence of a foggy night. The heat from in the engine room as you walk past the door, the familiar smell of oil we've grown to know, the sight of distant waves forever breaking on the shore as ships and boats go passing to and fro. I'm a friend of the ferries, and I'm proud to be, for they've always been a true and faithful friend to me. The stumble which announces you have reached your journey's end, the squeal of rubber tires along the side, the creaking ropes which take the strain and noisily contend with the current of the ever-flowing tide, the clatter of the gangway and the groaning of the stage, which has always had an air of mystery. And with every trip we simply turn another page in the special book of Mersey history. I'm a friend of the ferry,